you in Europe.
Wait for it.
When you see a Lay's paprika chip.
Lovely.
Oh, my hair's looking crazy. Right, we're going to wish for 100 subscribers.
I'm going to make my own pasta. Can I do two? One hand on one?
Left hand is 100 subscribers, right hand is whatever you want.
Subscribe!
So the tour guide told us that this clock actually broke a month ago, which is kind of funny that we don't get to see it clocking, like just missed it, but I get no fixed. But well, fun fact about it is that it's actually got 24 hands. So it's one of the only broken clocks that's not right twice a day. And that time would be, I think, 7? I'm not really sure how a 24-handed clock works.
45?
Yes, please.
The first one.
Oh my God. Jeez. I mean, I haven't even taken a single bite, and I already recommend going to
Focaccino.
Focaccino.
I mean, it's so oily, but it's so tasty.
I don't even know how to begin on this.
I mean, even the focaccia by itself is really good. I can feel like the juices like starting to pile up here.
I'm working on my unique reactions to each piece of food I eat. So for this one, this deserves a delightful. For a focaccia that is like a two-hander, only €8. For this, look at it. That is proper value for money. So just to take you through what we've got here. Vegano focaccia, sun-dried tomatoes, aubergine, courgette, arugula.
Arugula.
Is there an English word for that?
Rocket.
Rocket.
It's got sausage.
Yeah. What else does it have? Walnuts, and they're a star. That added crunch. Oh, that's good.
Hummus.
Fried red onions, hummus, and that's a really good
Nice
texture.
onions.
And then just olive oil, dank focaccia. Ah, it's so good. It's so good.
Cross-contamination was really good.
Yeah, they do use their hands, the ingredients.
And they were handling like all the meats and cheeses. And the boards, they didn't wipe like the extra cheese from the last sandwich off. So this is pistachio and then hazelnut.
Hazelnut.
Doesn't that remind you of the dough?
Yeah.
Sorbet. Sorry, sorbet.
Wow.
It's actually really creamy. I'm surprised that they're vegan.
Rum diddly umptious.
That is a bueno bar.
That is a bueno bar.
That is a bueno
The other
bar.
one is a pistachio spread.
That is insanely creamy.
Oh,
That's really creamy.
That's got a really good aftertaste. Now for the ratatouille moment.
That is so good. They're so creamy. I don't understand how they're so...
That's so good.
Wow.
Wow. That was delicious. Gelateria Emiliana.
Another TikTok find, but I mean, can't knock it. They're actually really good.
Same.
They're the creamiest Like vegan ice cream I've ever had in my life. Can't say something.
I agree with that.
Premium.
That was today's vlog. Thank you for watching. We had a great time filming it. Hope you enjoyed. We're now going to head off to the peninsula and do the hike called
Reach the Marjan Hill.
the Marjan Hill. Stopping off at a nice beach at the end and just taking in the nature with a bit of a disconnection to connect more. That makes sense. Come back tomorrow for day 3 of Croatia tour. Ciao.
Barely.
Honestly.